Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a door in AutoCAD. Creating a door in AutoCAD is a simple process that involves drawing the door panel, adding the swing line, and creating an arc to indicate the direction the door opens. Once completed, you can save it as a block so you can reuse it in future drawings. In this guide, I'll walk you through creating a basic door symbol in AutoCAD. The first step is to open AutoCAD. Once AutoCAD launches, create a new drawing or open an existing one. After the drawing page loads, click on the rectangle tool located on the top toolbar. Draw a rectangle that represents the door. Set the dimensions to height 5 and the width 90. This rectangle will represent the door leaf. Next, click on the line tool. Starting from the bottom corner of the door, draw a straight line extending sideways for a distance of 90. This line represents the door's open position. Now click on the Arc tool. From the Arc drop-down menu, choose the option Start and Radius. Using this arc type, create an arc that starts from the end of the line you just drew and ends at the top corner of the door. The arc represents the path the door follows as it swings open, making it easy to identify the opening direction in architectural drawings. Once your door symbol is complete, you can save it for future use. First, select the entire door drawing. Next, go to the command line. Type block, then press enter. The block definition dialog will open. Enter a name for your block, choose a base point, verify that your selected door geometry is included, and complete the block creation process. Once saved as a block, you can insert the same door into future drawings without having to redraw it. It is important to understand that using blocks improves consistency and makes architectural drawings much faster to edit and maintain. To summarize, making a door in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and clicking the rectangle tool to draw a door with a height of 5 and a width of 90. Next, use the line tool to draw a straight line extending 90 units sideways from the bottom of the door. Then click the Arc tool, choose the Start and Radius option, and draw an arc from the end of that line to the top of the door to indicate the direction the door opens. Finally, select the entire drawing, type block in the command line, press enter, and save it as a block so you can reuse it in future projects. Creating your door as a block makes it much easier to maintain consistent architectural drawings and reuse the same symbol across multiple AutoCAD projects. And that's how to make a door in AutoCAD. By drawing the door, adding its swing indicator, and saving it as a reusable block, you can quickly create professional architectural floor plans while saving time on future projects. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.